I'm Joost, I'm here with the Sportneer pull-up bar, so let's go install this. Okay, so let's go install this. Okay, so I need to twist the bar to get it the right size to fit in my door frame. I needed to do quite some twisting, but now it's almost ready to fit in the door frame. So let's completely install this. Okay, so that's about the right height. I won't hit my head when walking underneath it, but it still gives me enough head space to not hit my head when I do the pull-ups. And now I just need to twist the middle part enough so it can't twist anymore, and that means it's really secure. And as you can see, the door can still easily close with no problem. Now let's measure the door frame to see how much weight this can actually take. So it goes from 94 centimeters for 75 kilograms to 75 centimeters for 200 kilograms. That's 37 inches to 29.5 inches. My door is around 85, so that should be around 100 kilograms. So I should be fine in using this. So that's pretty straightforward to install, and it's really fun to do.